Hey guys, I'm back with another video. It's still kind of weird like talking to a camera again because it's been a minute since I've done it like consistently, so like I'm warming back up to y'all type stuff. But today we're going on a photo shoot with my homegirl Lexi. She's been up in a previous video before. I did a photo shoot with her, but we're not doing a photo shoot of her. She just got her license and a car, so we're gonna go take pictures of her car. We're gonna I think we're gonna find like an open patchy grass area, and then I'm gonna make the hardest commercial pretty much of her car, and then get some sick pictures of it and show y'all, and then we'll talk about it later. I'll take y'all with me, and hopefully I should be able to talk a good bit in this video. So let's get into it. All right, don't mind the dirty mirror, but let's not forget the fit before we leave, because I mean it's a classic fit, you know, black jeans, green shirt, and you know, contrasted with the blue jean jacket. It's a classic fit, but it's the fit for the day, and we got the Vans on. Alright guys, I'm back. You feel me? It's good to be back. I'll just pause the video for a second just to tell y'all the whole audio from all of this is straight poo-poo. And so like, remember when I said at the start I'll probably be able to talk to y'all? It's not very much at all, because literally it all sounds just like I'll play some of the audio. Just take this in for a second. Right around here, and you get just like caution signs and stuff like that in the back, and then we'll get the view. And then the stuff like right here. Yeah. So I'll probably end up taking it like long ways. Hear me talking? Like me neither. I can't hear myself talking either. So we're gonna roll kind of like this, how we usually do things around here. Because if you're new here, you should subscribe or like. You know, if you've been here, go ahead like too. Go ahead, drop a comment. Comments mean a lot. I don't really care about the views, but I do care about the comments, because it's just like those are real connections, and like who goes out the way to go like the video. So if you haven't done it yet, I appreciate that a lot. But let's continue in the video. Alright, so I convinced her to be my model. And how about the car? Yeah, so I posed her like this because the sun's gonna be coming in from this way, and I don't want the shadows being harsh on her face. And then her shirt is like not the right color, but we're gonna change that in Photoshop, so it'll be alright. Alright, go sit on the hood like paint messed up. Yeah, just like that. Alright, so we're looking for a second location right now. We got no clue where, but we'll figure it out. This is the next one coming up right now. Whoa. Yeah, we're not making that. Alright, I'm gonna narrate over this next part because, like I said, the audio's pooping some pieces like that. So basically, I'm explaining how I put her on the left side of the car, yeah, right there, to like help with the rule of thirds. If y'all don't know what that is, I should look that up. It'll help with your photography a lot. And then I made sure to zoom in as far as I could with my lens to separate her from the background and make the background like kind of more blurry and have bokeh. If y'all thought that was helpful, you know, you should come back for the next video. Oh, yeah, do y'all know what this is? You gotta hit roll it up on them. Yes, sir.
Oh my god.
I've never done that before in my whole life.
What?
No, never.
Oh my god.
That was the end of the video, guys. I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna talk to y'all in my room and then show y'all the pictures. So I hope y'all enjoyed that, and Lexi's music, and Lexi being in the video. If y'all want her in another video, beg her in the comments and have her back. See y'all. Wanna say bye?
Bye. I don't even think that was on me.
I don't think it was either, but we'll see y'all next time. Be here at the end of the video. We're gonna run through some of the pictures I got that I couldn't fit in the video. We're gonna put them right here, because that's how we do things around here. First picture right here, you feel me? It's just I just really like the picture, to be honest. It just looks clean, looks like it could be on a GTA, it could be in GTA, like a picture on a billboard or something. Miata, you feel me? I don't know. I just really like the picture. And then we have this picture of her posed up with her car. Like I said, I wanted to have the road. Okay, so like the picture's right here, right? I'm gonna assume the road's right here. So like the road leads down to her and the car, which is like leading lines, and like that's helpful for your pictures, and you should use that in the future. It was totally on accident, but it looked cool, so I was just like, yeah, I would just say I did that on purpose to look cool for the video, but like it's our secret. Ain't nobody else gonna know. All right. If you enjoyed that video today, I already told y'all earlier in the video, y'all know what to do. I hope y'all had fun with me and my little photo shoot. If Lexi's Instagram is in the description, if you thought she was pretty or something, go spam her comments and say I sent you or something like that. I see y'all next time. Video coming on Saturday, hopefully. This is posted on Wednesday, so I hope to see y'all soon. New videos coming out very frequently because I got a whole lot of stuff planned and I wasn't here, so I just want to put content out there for y'all. So I'll see y'all next time. Adios.